Hi friends, with another recipe I'm here again. Today another recipe means a very new recipe to me with katla mach. I never tried this recipe, so today I'm going to share this one with you. Please listen carefully because I have not kept any ingredients over here separately. I have already marinated the fishes, so I'm telling one by one which ingredients I have used for the marination. So first of all, you need katla fish. You can try with vetki fishes also, which has very less bone and all. So with that fishes you can try this recipe. So I have used katla fishes over here, very I removed the most of the bones from there. Then I'm using here katla fish only. So for with katla fish you need some marination. So for this marination I have used turmeric powder. I'm telling one by one, please note down it. Turmeric powder, salt, mustard oil, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and very half of this spoon garam masala. Okay, with those I have marinated this and fishes and some more ingredients I have used over here, which are green chili paste, ginger paste, garlic paste, and onion paste. Okay, those ingredients very means simple ingredients. Those are, we already use those items for any non-veg item. So those I'm using over a nothing special, nothing very costly ingredients I'm using over here. So you can make it easily, and which I came to know that this recipe goes very well with plain rice, fried rice, means some kind of roasted item it is. Whichever gravies you are getting after marinations, those gravy you can take with warm rice, so it will give a nice flavor to you. See, you can see here some kind of gravies are there after doing the marinations only. So those will give a nice flavor, and it will give a nice flavor to fishes also. So let's try the recipe, and I think I'm very much excited about that how it comes out. Let's see. Okay. Yes, turn on gas. Okay, now you have to add mustard oil. Of course, non-veg item, so I will add mustard oil. Not like deep frying, means uh, enough mustard oil so that it can fry the fishes properly. Okay, so you have to give time to let it heat. And one more thing, very means it's long time, marination time was little long only, means I marinated in by for marinated by 3-4 hours, you can say. Okay, and I kept it in refrigerator. So after that I am just making this fish recipe. Now oil is heated only. Now I have to leave that fishes one by one. Now you have to leave for a few minutes so that it gets fried one side. Then you have to turn it back. You can cover it for a while. I think it is done for one side. And just turn it back. Yes, see? comes in brown color, and a very nice smell is coming out. Again cover it by a lid. Now check it once it done or not, that side, the other side. Yes, it's almost done. Still I will keep for a few minutes more. Again covering it. Now I think it is done. You have to remove the pieces from the oil. Very carefully you have to remove it. Looking like very much roasted only. And a nice smell, very nice smell it is. This one you have to fry rest of the pieces same way. Look at the recipe. It's ready only. You can serve. It's not like a curry type. Okay, it's kind of roasted, so you can easily serve it with warm rice. It that masala, that roasted masala gives a nice flavor now only. So if you are eating with warm rice, how it will be, you can imagine, I think. Okay, so that is the things. Please try this recipe and please let me know how it is. I should give a thanks to my sister if I get that recipe very nice, because I never tried before. So today I will try only. So after taking this dinner, of course I am sure that I'm going to give a thanks to my sister. Okay, so to you also I'm telling same thing. Please do prepare this recipe at your home and give a surprise to your family members. So till then I'm coming back to you with a thali plate. Then we are the nice means for us actually it will be a very nice dinner, and for you it's a nice flavor only. You can't take also, only you can see. Okay, so please make it, and so that you can enjoy the same recipe at your home only. So till then I'm coming back to you. Please wait. So here is the dinner plate, and you can get the idea how our dinner will be tonight only. So and one more thing I would share to you, that whenever I'm serving that fish, no, you can't imagine how soft it was. Okay, so if you try, please, you won't be a loser. Please try this one and taste this recipe at your home, and please try and let me know how it was. So I think you will get you have enjoyed the recipes and all. So till the means for now I'm going, I will be back again. Till then, take care. Bye. With a new recipe I will be coming back again. So till then, take care. Okay.